Yo, thanks for logging in to the Mr. Show. Full pack show today. Jamaica the Great. You done Yo, people, trust me. When I ask you a question about the ABORTION, right? Who has the rights? Is it the man? Is it the woman? Right? We're going to talk about that a little bit. People, when a man can cuss like this.
Here I come. Hey, don't fucking pass your place.
They don't know. We're in for some heat. Pop the Balloon got crazy.
Yo, hold on. I'll get you.
We're doing it all right now on the Mr. Show. You ever had a lazy friend that hung out for a day but end up staying for months?
You're gonna get down here and clean this up.
Right? So stay right here. It's the Mr. Show. I Red Pill Ricks. Remember to like, remember to subscribe. Let's get going. One time, Jamaica.
Artists,
is this guy a hater or he's an admirer? Listen.
You go in the world, everybody knows Jamaican food, Jamaican artists, everybody knows.
The number one word in Jamaica is wah. No?
You go in the world, everybody knows Jamaican food, Jamaican artists, everybody knows.
You hear that?
Elephant Man.
Rain, my people in Kingston, Jamaica. Beer rain.
You ever been to Jamaica when it's been raining?
What? You know,
Loving hip hop with spice.
suck your mother meant. Ever since then.
This girl's asking about suck your mother and what it meant. Let's go.
You know, suck your mother meant. Ever since then.
You just want a little spotlight. I get it. Take your spotlight, girl.
It ain't about no spotlight. We all know it's you. It's about Spice. You the one on tour. You got all the songs. You are the spotlight.
She don't know me take that plate and bust her head. Every time she see me, she wanna confront me. Bitch, don't confront me. Go confront your man and your mama. Drag your ass with your little teapot, short and stout husband.
You hear that?
Your eyes.
Thanks.
Nah, lies.
All right, this is a Pop the Balloon super episode. Things did not go down as expected. Let's go.
Swag is swagging.
You're crying.
Jesus.
No, you're crying. No, you're crying.
Yo. Calm down. What going? Yo.
Well, the baby.
Oh, what am I done?
Your mother she are done. I think next I call it make a fire attack. No, you're crying. No, you're crying.
Yo. Calm down. What going? Yo.
Oh, what am I done?
Your mother she are done. I think next I call it make a fire attack in your blood. Let me tell you now.
Yo, them are.
What this? Yo.
Them are security.
Oh.
Yo,
what? Yo, what going?
What's your name? I'll get you. Yo, are you me at time? Come here, son. Come.
What going, G? What going at time?
Shut him, my blood. Clot that pan.
What going?
Me look like condom to you.
Wow.
Stop attacking me. Me look like condom to you.
Wow.
Don't f*** yourself with me. Yo.
What going? What?
Yo, his baby mother's on set, man. Brought the baby.
Oh.
Yo.
G, just calm down now.
Send our own brother.
Oh.
Come guy.
Oh. Go to your yard. Go home. No, she needs some milk, yo.
Shut him, my blood. Clot that pan.
Oh. What going?
Me look like condom to you. Stop attacking me. Me look like condom to you. Don't f*** yourself with me. Yo,
What BG just can't on now.
Conga here. No work if conga here.
What go on?
No work if conga here.
What is for?
No, where really are you?
Wow. Wow. Watch my girl in the blue. Yeah. She's doing that Jamaica finger click.
What go on?
My man's befunkled. All right, true Jamaica strength. Big up Dennis Brown. This is a real deal.
If you are a black person especially and you're used to feeling like a second-rate citizen, and you come here and you are seen, you are appreciated, you are validated. Land that I love.
Jeffrey, brother.
It is paradise.
The full experience.
Going at me, bro. What would you do if your girl went on a trip like this, bro? Going at Rewind that.
The full experience.
Yo. Nah.
How long you think a guy should last?
We could get a 5-minute quickie. That shit could rock my f***ing day. But you could dick me down for like a good 20, 30.
I'm here to help. Nothing more, nothing less.
How long you think I would last with you?
I said 60 seconds.
Nobody in their right mind would believe that.
Why you say that though?
Cause it's that gushy as you would.
I like your pussycat friend.
We could get a 5-minute quickie. That shit could rock my f***ing day. But you could dick me down for like a good 20, 30.
I'm here to help. Nothing more, nothing less.
How long you think I would last with you?
I said 60 seconds.
Nobody in their right mind would believe that.
Why you say that though?
Cause it's that gushy as you would.
I like your pussycat friend.
Okay then, player.
I live here too. I said if you don't clean my... I live. Girl, first of all, you was only supposed to be here for a couple months. It's going on 4 months and you haven't paid me. You only paid me 1 month's rent. You got me with the, oh, here you go, girl. Here go the rent money. I got you up front. And then ever since then, I'm not getting $1.
This volume is up here and you need to bring it down.
So what? Don't get smart. No, we're not going to talk about nothing. You're going to get down. You're going to get down here and clean this up. Girl, get down, he said.
All right, you know what? Papa didn't raise no fool. That girl is putting her to task, yo. You gotta respect.
I think I live.
You gotta respect that. She's putting her to task, yo. Get up. She's pushing her. Get down the stairs. Let's rewind it from the Dorothy. Frass clap.
Okay then, player.
I said if you don't clean my... Girl, first of all, you was only supposed to be here for a couple months. It's going on 4 months and you haven't paid me. You only paid me 1 month's rent. You got me with the, oh, here you go, girl. Here go the rent money. I got you up front. And then ever since then, I'm not getting $1. So what? Don't get smart.
She told her to bring it down a notch.
No, we're not going to talk about nothing. You're going to get down.
Push her down the stairs, yo.
You're going to get down here and clean this up.
Get down there.
Girl, get down, he said.
Help her.
I think I live here and I let you stay here and not only have you overstayed your welcome, but you disrespected my home.
Look at
None of this stuff belongs to me, but this is my house. Here, I complained before I left and I told you.
Look at the place, brethren.
You're welcome, but you disrespected my home. None of this stuff belongs to me, but this is my house. Sierra, I complained before I left, and I told you if you ain't had this shit cleaned up, you was out of my house. So you could either start cleaning up, stop getting... you're getting smart with me like this is your house. You're getting smart with me like you pay your rent. You're getting smart with me like you don't have shit on the floor. You couldn't...
Yo.
And you couldn't have picked it up.
Yo. How's the girl gonna leave that in the corner with her dirty drawers? Her drawers are in the corner with the poo, and the place is in a raise, yo.
Home. None of this stuff belongs to me, but this is my house. Sierra, I complained before I left, and I told you if you ain't had this shit cleaned up, you was out of my house. So you could either start cleaning up, stop getting... you're getting smart with me like this is your house. You're getting smart with me like you pay your rent. You're getting smart with me like you don't have shit on the floor. You couldn't have picked it up.
Wow.
What is it?
All right, Fred. No, he's not a rooster. Fred, I want to look a bad dog. Fred, I think you need some therapy, bro.
Fred, what is it?
Fred need anger management. You need to sit Fred in therapy. Fred need therapy, baby. Fred got anger issues.
Yo, Fred. Now, people, look at this. I was shopping at Walmart and almost interrupted a heated argument. I wonder what he did wrong.
The Dominican Republic, they don't show you.
Go ahead.
Hi guys, so we...
Yo. I like the hood, yo. Everywhere in the world, there's a hood, right? So this is the Dominican Republic that they don't show us, yo. The melanated side.
The Dominican Republic, they don't show you.
It's the melanated side, right?
Hi guys, so we're downtown Kingston in the market, close to the big tree. I'm eating chicken neck.
They might have some chicken neck. People, can you identify her accent? Them out there name chicken neck.
What's your name? Nevada. Tell them about where they can find you. Tell them where they can find you in the market. Where the Where
they can find them?
West Street is baby. West. Yeah, West Street. Yeah, guys, you West Street. Come Gladys.
Jamaica is way more influential than the Bahamas.
Okay, so why are you saying it like that, bro? Just to give you some context, he is half Jamaican, half Bahamian. Shout out to all the people from Bahamas, Bermuda, Puerto Rico, seeing Venezuela, Trinidad, Tobago, seeing St. Lucia, Antigua, right? I know I left out some places, but relax. Haiti, of course. Cuba. But DR is a mixed up place, bro. My bad. Bahamas. They're trying to compete with Jamaica, is what it seems like he's trying to do. And I'm not sure exactly like where he's coming across with this. Let's go. Let's see what he's saying.
Yeah, guys, you West Street. Come Gladys.
Jamaica is way more influential than the Bahamas.
Right?
Jamaica probably has the most influence on the world.
You know, imagine being from the Caribbean, but it's not Jamaica. Like,
I love my Trinidadians. I love my guys.
Love my dad.
Jamaica is way more than just a destination island.
With Jamaica, right? We have this reverence for Bob Marley, but not just Bob Marley, Jamaica as a whole now. Black people have this
big up King Turbo.
real strong tie to it where everybody felt like at some point they wanted to be not Caribbean, they just wanted to be Jamaican just because of the
Ultimately, Jamaica probably has the most influence on the world. Craig. Can you imagine being from the Caribbean, but it's not Jamaica? Like,
I love my Trinidadians. I love my guys. I love my to death.
Jamaica is way more than just a destination island.
with Jamaica, right? We have this reverence for Bob Marley, but not just Bob Marley, Jamaica as a whole now. Black people had this real strong tie to it where everybody felt like at some point they wanted to be not Caribbean, they just wanted to be Jamaican just because of the influence of Bob Marley had.
The Bahamas is only a destination island. But the Bahamas is such a big name. That's crazy about it. It's such a big name. Like when you hear that, you think of like tropical. It's such a big name.
True, but
it's like, why is this not? Why, as far as influence, why is Jamaica here and the Bahamas here? But I feel like we should be like equal.
This is the first place in the world that I felt like a human being. This is the first place that I felt truly seen. It was the times where I came to Jamaica to vacation as a child, and I barely made friends in the US, and in one weekend in Jamaica I would make 10 friends. Oh, you
Should a man have any say on abortion?
Yes.
No.
Okay, yes or no, but look at the story in between the the conversation that they're having. Look at the in between story. It's absolutely crazy. Right? Look at the in-between story. It is absolutely insane. Let me go over here. Watch this. It's crazy.
And in one weekend in Jamaica, I would make 10 friends. Oh, you
Should a man have any say on abortion?
Yes.
No.
So I was 15 when I had a baby.
Should it be 50-50 or what?
Yes.
50-50 on what? I gave that baby up for adoption.
I disagree. I feel like it's a woman's body.
But it's half his child.
25 years later, I end up dating that baby, not knowing he was my son. 25 years later, I end up dating that baby, not knowing he was my...
Yo, did you hear that? She had a baby and she ended up dating that baby 25 years later, not knowing it was...
50 or what?
Yes.
50-50 on what?
I gave that baby up for adoption.
I disagree. I feel like it's a woman's body.
But it's half his child.
25 years later, I end up dating that baby, not knowing he was my son. 25 years later, I end up dating that baby, not knowing he was my son.
Hey, y'all, come look at
Fast forward.
Okay, well, hold on 1 second.
When I confronted him about it, when I told him about it, he told me he been knew. He knew that I was his mother.
That's the real definition of motherfucker.
So you feel like a woman should have all the say on abortion?
Yep, I do.
Why?
It's her body. It's her choice.
So if you want the baby and a man don't, should he have to pay child support?
I mean, when people
as
have...
long as he signs off his parental rights. I'm sorry.
No, go ahead.
I think if a man doesn't want the baby, you ain't gotta do that. If the man don't want the baby...
Yo, get your mind out the gutter.
No, I just got OCD. If the man doesn't want the baby, I think he should sign off his parental rights and have no attachment to the child. If the mom wants to keep it, and she has to understand what that comes with.
And that's no child support.
No child support, because he said he didn't want it.
Okay.
You're ungrateful, you can't be great. Only grateful people can be great. No ungrateful girl and boy can't have great. You're ungrateful.
This is why I fucking hate this shit. Why the fuck is this guy parked like this? Huh? And you just try to run me over.
Yo. This is, first I gotta say that this girl is highly disrespectful. So I'm not highlighting that and giving her no props for that. She is disrespectful because of the age difference that's going on in this clip. But I found it very interesting that she's Middle Eastern and Jamaican. Ha. Let's go.
Open your fucking window. Hey, open your window. What?
My parking.
You almost fucking trying to run me over.
There, okay?
Listen.
I'm waiting first
Suck
there.
your mouth.
Come after,
You
okay?
have a you in the back and you're driving drunk.
You come after, okay? I'm stay there. You coming after me.
मैं पंजाबी बोला
बोल
तेनू बोलनी आंदी है
तेनू आंदी है
मेनू नहीं आंदी सारे मैं तेरा बंदा बना देना यार
Yo. See? She just went into Punjabi. She said something about Punjabi, and then, yo.
Window. Hey, open your window. What?
My parking.
You almost fucking trying to run me over.
There, okay?
Listen,
I'm waiting
listen.
first
Suck
there.
your mouth.
Come up.
You have a you in the back and you're driving drunk?
You come after, okay? I'm stay there. You coming after me.
मैं पंजाबी बोला
बोल
तेनू बोलनी आंदी है
तेनू आंदी है
मेनू नहीं आंदी सारे मैं तेरा बंदा बना देना है
ओ जा काम कर
तेरे को न्यारा पीछे है तेनू
पता नहीं
look behind your car start मारा
बोली ये नहीं है दिमाग खराब है तेरा
idiot thing
He even took my.
listen
All right. So now it looks like she got checked by somebody else now, and she goes off on the next set of people then.
record us. No, you don't want to get recorded, but you want to talk, right? You want. Listen, I'm half Jamaican. It's very bad, right? I have a Jamaican mother that's going to tell me Wagwan too. Okay? You have a pick.
She's still disrespectful for speaking to the elders that way. That's still watch out.
He even took my.
Listen, let's record us. No, you don't want to get recorded, but you want to talk, right? You want. Listen, I'm half Jamaican. It's very bad, right? I have a Jamaican mother that's going to tell me Wagwan too. Okay? You have a pick me in the back.
Don't make me angry. You wouldn't like me when I'm angry.
Suck your mother.
You hear that?
Five of them. When me look, me see two of them a come up the hill. Me fling it first, 2 stone. The pussy them run off of the hill. One down there say milli car. Now the 5 idiot I tell me say me if you come fight. 5 of them. Them stupid. Me want them one by blood clot one up me hill. One by one, uno come up me hill. One by one, uno come up me hill. Me beat you now stand on the home 1-1. A 5 of them and I'm yellow and nobody not hold them and they don't their cuffs. Me not look.
Me dey a chill, on the hill. Say Mara call me to come wife.
Talk about blood clot, Mara. Mara in this. Mara in this. Me talk about Mara.
Yo. Between the last 2 videos, it's like I could call this segment The Angry Jamaicans. The Angry Jamaicans, yo. What? Let's go.
Hey, yo. Them stupid. Me want them one by blood clot one up me hill. One by one, uno come up me hill. One by one, uno come up me hill. Me beat you now stand on the home 1-1. A 5 of them and I'm yellow and nobody not hold them and they don't their cuffs. Me not look.
Me dey a chill, on the hill. Say Mara call me to come wife.
Talk about blood clot, Mara. Mara in this. Mara in this. Me talk about Mara. Me talk about blood clot, me and you. Me talk about Mara. Me talk about Mara. Me talk about me and you. Talk about that.
From me to talk.
From me to talk. Answer now. From me to talk. Me say from me to talk. When you tell me blood clot, Wednesday night say. And I may forgot when the blood clot. That tell me about 1 minute talk. From me.
Say Mara call me to come wife.
Talk about.
Shut till the blood clot that pan. Yo, drop it.
Yeah.
Come on, sister, no.
Why do you look like a witch?
Here I come.
Hey, don't fucking pass your place with me now. Look up blood clot dry head, girl. How the fuck you take this thing for? You come here and the first thing that you try to do be disrespectful. Why you not blood clot beard off your shit off I pitney body and go give blood clot pitney titty? Eh? Look pa you. You favor any avatar. Come on from a bumbo clot live and I make me see myself this morning. Yeah? You come here and talk about man.
Miss me Annie, you fuck if me hold a man right now, me fuck him off.
Hey yo, the blood clot that pan. Yo, drop it.
Yeah.
Come on, sister, no.
Why do you look like a witch?
Here I come. Hey, don't fucking pass your place with me now. Look up blood clot dry head, girl. How the fuck you take this thing for? You come here and the first thing that you try to do be disrespectful. Why you not blood clot beard off your shit off I pitney body and go give blood clot pitney titty? Eh? Look pa you. You favor any avatar. Come on from a bumbo clot live and I make me see myself this morning. Yeah? You come here and talk about man.
Miss me Annie, you fuck if me hold a man right now, me fuck him off. You don't believe me? From when me Isla ride me bum.
Blame them.
Why pray?
To Rosalie Biggie come like a 10 of them in a relationship.
Suck your boy and I get none of me eye. But suck out. You keep on a laugh and a walk me down and a tell me what you me no want.
I'm talking anywhere you go in the world.
Rosalie Biggie come like a 10 of them in a relationship.
I'm talking anywhere you go in the world.
Come like a 10 of them in a relationship. You keep on a laugh and a walk me down and a tell me what you me no want hear and you laugh and people look at me like that. Me a bumbuckler idiot. Me a tell yourself it's happy and you not hear, brother. What me I do? Stop from video me from blood clot phone, brother. Bumba wall. You deaf man?
Oh, what about
Your mother pussy a done. I think next I call it, make a fire check your blood clot. Let me tell you now.
One thing about Jamaica, it's like there's only one breed of dog here. It doesn't matter if you're in Kingston, Montego Bay, Negril, Ochi, they all look the same. Slim, short hair, pointy ears, that little confident walk like they own the road. You don't see no poodles, no pit bulls.
Yo, that's true. So I'm going one dog at Jamaica.
None of that. All you see is these mongrels right here. And they be everywhere on the beach, like they on vacation too, walking through the town like they on their way to work. And let me tell y'all something, they're smart and they're loyal.
True.
And once you feed them one time, you got a friend for life.
True.
And I've never seen one on a leash. They don't need no leash.
Nope.
They just out here living their best life, wild and free in paradise. And they all got the same names. They either Brownie or Blackie. That's the only names they got. But they are so cute and I love them. And every time I see one, I have to...
I true still. Jamaica got the best dogs, yo. Thanks for logging in. It's the Mr. Show. Pick up your damn self every time.